Good day, champions. Working on something that is not yielding fruit? Feel like things are not going your way? Do you often hear a little voice that keeps telling you to give up? In moments when things are not going according to plan, do you act or react? Whichever case, do not judge yourself harshly. To act or react, but not judging yourself harshly, is what this video is about today. Do you find yourself saying or thinking, "This always happens to me," or "What's wrong with you?" What about, "Things never go my way. I'm the unluckiest person in the world. Just as I expected, another rejection," and so on and so forth? This would be reacting and judging yourself harshly. Let's be honest, we can all go on a woe is me tantrum when we don't check ourselves, when we don't pay attention to our negative thinking. It is helpful to think about these type of negative and helpful responses to situations that are not going as expected, to think about them in a different, more productive and useful way. Ways that enable us to get awareness in order to be alert enough to catch such thinking, to catch our reacting or unbeneficial negative thinking and turn it around, to take ownership of the situation and choose to act rightly instead. This is what I have found to be helpful, to realize in the moment when we would judge ourselves quickly and harshly. It is helpful to ask yourself if your negative unbeneficial thought will actually get you the outcome that you desire. If the answer is yes, then by all means go ahead. But if it is no, then it's time for a reality check. A reality check that brings a true awareness of yourself and the situation. Awareness of the fact that what you are thinking and how you are thinking will not get you what you actually want. With this awareness, you then consciously choose a response or reaction that will lead to improved thinking, action, and results, those that you actually do want. This way, you overcome obstacles that have been blocking your achieving. You see, right application of your thinking makes a big difference. So it is important to think twice before making unjustified, and might I add, false judgments of your ability to achieve results. Don't be a false witness to your own achieving potential. This is how you become your own worst enemy. By opposing yourself through your thinking, having and believing negative thoughts about yourself and your capabilities. The important thing to realize here is that getting caught up in your own thinking does you no good. Once it occurs to you that this is what you are doing, what is going on mentally, once you come to this realization, you simply have to let go of such thinking. As you may know, your thought is creating your experience. So you need to do an honest assessment of yourself and start creating the kind of thoughts that you do want to experience instead. Then use the correct empowering information and thinking about yourself and your capabilities to improve and thrive. Was that helpful, champions? Share what you've heard or any insights that you've got from listening to this video today. Do also like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you receive more videos like this.